Imagine this. A single refuel for this tractor costs nearly $3,000. That's right, $3,000 just to fill the tank. This is the Jhon Deer 9RX, a machine that redefines what modern farming can be. Weighing in at nearly 65,000 pounds and powered by up to 670 horsepower, the 9RX delivers unmatched strength to pull massive implements and cover acres of land faster than ever. Its most iconic feature? 4 enormous tracks. They give superior traction, stability, and reduced soil compaction, meaning more efficiency and healthier crops. This giant stretches over 26 feet long and nearly 13 feet tall. Watching it move across the field feels more like seeing a tank in action than a tractor. Step inside the cab and you'll find comfort and technology combined. Climate